Hi, I'm Dr. Aniruddha from Toothpicks Dental Healthcare. I'm a director and a dental surgeon at Toothpicks Dental Healthcare, 4th Block, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Well, it is possible to get dentures if you haven't been having teeth for a very long time. But yeah, a radiograph is needed, a clinical evaluation is needed. What is the extent of bone loss that has happened over the years? Because generally when you start losing teeth, the bone that was holding on to the tooth will also feel left out and it's going to start going downwards and you're going to have a flatter bone ridge where we place the denture. So now when you don't have that bone or the bone is not sufficient, then there can be a difficulty in fabrication or difficulty in retaining the denture inside the mouth. But it also depends as to what kind of dentures we are planning on. Are we planning on implant supported dentures or are we planning on conventional dentures and things like that, and due to what reasons the patient has lost the tooth, due to what reason the bone has resorbed, what is the systemic condition of the patient. If a patient is having a lot of bone loss because of calcium deficiency or certain systemic problem, then there could be a reason that should be addressed first before we start off giving a denture. But however, even if the patient has lost the teeth a long time ago, even then, after a good clinical evaluation and the technology that is now available in dentistry, we can still replace teeth.